service that people will work for this country with the dedication, knowing that nothing will disrupt them, nothing will disrupt their families, and that when time for them to move from the current station to the other, they will be given a notice period where they will plan their family, look for schools for their children, look for some that are on medication, Madam Speaker. They will have been given an ample opportunity to look for a qualified doctor, especially the specialists from around the areas where they have been deployed, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this law will realign the Kenyan civil service with the changing times so that Kenyans can begin to work in a manner that is similar with the citizens of many countries with a comparable jurisdiction, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this bill doesn't have any monetary implications. It doesn't affect implementation of all HR policies, but we are simply asking that the Kenyans deserve some kind of dignity, some kind of respect, some kind of qualified transfer sanctions from their current stations to other stations, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, if this bill is approved and is assented to, it is going to motivate the Kenyan civil servants. It is going to ensure that the Kenyan civil service are going to give it their all in providing services on behalf of the government of Kenya, because many people, many civil servants, they are demotivated because they don't know when they will be asked to move next day. Madam Speaker, in line with what is happening globally and regionally, that before you are being transferred, you are given some period of a notice period, I want to ask this Honorable House, I want to ask my fellow members of Parliament to consider supporting this bill. And even if there are issues that need to be addressed, Madam Speaker, our standing orders provides that when a member brings a bill, a proposal in this House, in the name of a bill, it is simply an idea that is brought before the diversity of Kenyans who are members of Parliament to improve it, either by way of suggesting amendments during the committee of the whole House, during that reading, and I therefore want to invite the honorable members to scrutinize this bill properly. Let us support it, let us approve it, and then implement it further. Because part of the, when we received public participation at the committee level, Madam Speaker, many Kenyans are supporting this bill. Many institutions are supporting this bill, because this bill, in fact, ought to have been brought here 15 years ago. But God has his own way, has a purpose why we had to bring it at this time, and I therefore want to ask my colleagues to support this bill. Let us pass this bill so that it requires civil servants to be given a notice period before being transferred from one station to the other. This bill will streamline the civil service. What is happening today, Madam Speaker, is that we have some women who have suffered because of sexual harassment, where they don't heed to those harassment, Madam Chair. The people who are leading those institutions will transfer them as a way of punishing them from one station to the other, and even men as well, because this sexual harassment has no respect for gender. We have men who are being harassed sexually, and as well as women also being harassed sexually, Madam Speaker, and to stop those things that the transfers must, one, be merited, then number two, be given a notice period so that you don't just wake up in the morning, then you are told that you've been transferred from Bungoma to Malindi, or you have been transferred from Kwale to Turkana, so that Kenyans can at least give service to our country in Dokram. With these very few remarks, Madam Speaker, I beg to move that the employment Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 62 of 2023, be read for a second time.